A horrifying accident has claimed at least 2 lives after a car belonging to ZANU-PF National and West Chairperson Tapiwa Masenda was involved in a head-on collision with a Zupco bus just before entering Shavane. Zarabina mashoko arikubuda panguva ino vanhu vachikweshina vachiti what is the crocodile milk? They want to poison VP Chiwenga panoonekwa kunzi aiwa Masenda akanga ataura maclaims ekuda kupoizena VP Constantine Chiwenga ndiye akachizobva asangana netsaona apo aclaima kuti why is it VP Constantine Chiwenga is blocking the presidential ambitions emutungamiriri wenyika. Nobo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Ntirambiri nenhombo kudai pamuchinzi the crash occurred barely 24 hours after Masenda chaired a volatile inter-district meeting where his leadership announced support for President Osondabuliso Mnangagwa's presidency extension to 2030, triggering outrage from party youths who demanded land allocation first. The vehicle, linked to controversial businessman Chiwenga, known for rewarding loyalists with expensive cars, was left mangled beyond recognition. Photos from the scene show a luxury white double cab crushed to scrap metal, with the ZANU-PF flag washed in the wreckage. Sleeping or using the phone, the bus tried to avoid a head-on but it was too late. According to ZVAITWA investigations, one woman identified only as Logo died instantly. A second female passenger died shortly after being rushed to hospital. Several others were critically injured. Masenda was reportedly not in the vehicle at the time. His current condition and whereabouts remain unclear. The crash follows disturbing statements made by Masenda just months ago when he threatened Vice President Constantine Chiwenga, alleging internal power wrangles, and even suggested he be poisoned using crocodile milk. Thomas Waru question on Evan Wachiti. What is that crocodile milk? Masenda had threatened VP Constantine Chiwenga after General Oya Wakamira nechokwadi pakati no to 2030. Let us be constitutional, guys. Bena comment section yedu mafunguro eni moto ndiba msoro pechitko ichi. So subscribe or like